Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Masters channel, so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have what we call multiplication on matrices. Unlike the addition and subtraction, if you have not yet watched the video, go ahead and watch it. Now, this is matrix A and B. Now, you can only multiply a matrix if the number of columns in the first matrix is equals to the number of rows. For example, if our matrix A is an m by n matrix, this row column, the number of column here must be equals to the number of row here. So it will be equals to, let's say, m by p. And the multiplication of these two will give you an m by p matrix. So the number of column here must be equals to the number of rows. Let's see if this satisfies this condition. How many columns do we have here? 1, 2. So 2 columns here. How many rows do we have here? 1, 2. So we can multiply the two matrices. Now, so we go row by column. So AB will be equals to 1 times this times this. 1 times 5 plus 2 times 7. 2 times 7. Then we go to the next one. 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8. 2 times 8. Now we go again. 3 this to this. 3 times 5 plus 4 times 7. Then we go again. 3 times 6 plus 4 times 8. Now let's go. What do we have here? So our AB is equals to 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 times 7, 14. Then you have 1 times 6, 6 plus 6 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16 rather. Then you have 3 times 5, 15 plus 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 4 times 8 is 32. 32. So let's add it. So this is 19. This is 22. Then this is 3, 43. And this is 50. So we have 19, 22, 43, and 50 as the answer. So it gives us an m by p matrix, which is also a 2 by 2 matrix in this case. All right, let's look at this next example. Says if we have our A is a 1, 2, 2 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. So this order 2 by 3, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. And the condition for multiplication, we said that the number of columns here must be equal to the number of rows here. So 3 is equals to 3. So we can multiply the two matrices. So let's go. So the first one, our AB will be equals to 1 times this, 7 plus 2 times 9 plus 3 times 11. Then we'll go again. Then 1 times this, 1 times 8 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 12. Then we'll go to this last one, 4, 5, 6 times this. So 4 times 7 plus 5 times 9 plus 6 times 11. Then the other part, you have 4 times 8 plus 5 times 10 plus 6 times 12. All right, let's conclude. AB is equals to, so 1 times 7 is 7 plus 9 times 2 is 18 plus 3 times 11, 33. We'll go to the other side. 1 times 8, 8. 2 times 10, 20. 3 times 12, 36. Then this is 4 times 12. 4 times 7, 28, plus 5 times 9, 45, plus 6 times 11, 66. Then this is 4 times 8, 32. 5 times 10, 50, plus 6 times 12 is 72. So when you do that, you have, this is 58. This is 64. This is 139. And this is 154. Alright, I hope you have learned in today's class. We looked at multiplication of matrices, and we said the condition or the golden rule for multiplying a matrix is that the column in matrix A must be equal to the number of rows in matrix B. So just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some list of take-home fun. If A is equals to 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, and this is what 2 by 3 matrix, and the B is equals to 1, 7, 4, 2, 3, 8, find A times B, and the last one C is equals to 2, 3, 4, 8. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and D is equals to 4, 5, 7, negative 2. Find C, D. Let me know the answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed today's video, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to you. To meet again. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Making Maths class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.